In this video, I'll be showing you my tripling review. So in a nutshell, tripling is a training based product that will teach you how you can make those affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus and JVZoo marketplace using traffic sources which not many people are using or not many people are teaching. What those traffic sources are, that I'll be telling you later on in this video. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of tripling. I'll be showing you my bonuses which I've compiled for you guys. We'll be taking a look at the different price points of tripling, and I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not, and if you have to make any other purchases after getting this product. So in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So if you're someone who wants to get started with making those affiliate commissions and promoting products on Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank, then there are numerous ways with which you can promote those methods, and I have covered a lot many products on my channel which takes care of that aspect of promoting these products, and I've also done few videos trainings on how you can promote these methods. But in this particular product tripling, these guys they are using some three different traffic sources which not many people are using or not many people are teaching you about. So let me just take you straight away inside the members area of tripling and show you around what all you're going to get. So this is how the members area will look like. So the first video you're going to get is choosing your niche. So they will teach you how you can choose a niche for yourself, and then you will learn about how you can choose a profitable offer from different marketplaces. And then you will learn about how you can create your profit pages. So these are basically the pages where through which you are going to promote the offers. So basically you can collect the email addresses of people and then direct them to the sales page or a bridge page in between. And then comes the traffic sources. As I told you, they have told about three traffic sources, and these are basically traffic exchanges. So what do you mean by traffic exchanges? It is basically a service where you have to complete some task like watching other people pages or reading other people emails, and you get credits for those tasks which you're going to complete. And once you have the credits, then you can also display your pages, your offers to other people. And this is what they have covered inside this training. So the first traffic source they're using is traffic ad bar. The next traffic source they're using is called cash juice, and the third one is easy hits for you. So you're going to get the complete training on how you can use these traffic sources and how you can promote the offers using these traffic sources. And then you're also going to get the case study where they have shown how they have been able to make the affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus using these traffic sources. So this is all about the membership area of tripling. And now I've also compiled some bonuses for you guys. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this particular page of mine, and you can read about tripling over here. And I've also put in the snapshots of the membership area. So now talking about the bonuses. So the number one bonus I'm going to offer to you is a 60-minute coaching call with me where we can discuss about anything related to online marketing. If you're stuck somewhere or if you are newbie, this call is going to be where we can discuss about anything. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you affiliate marketing kit. So this is going to help you in your affiliate marketing business. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you a video on behind the scenes of a six-figure marketing campaign, how a very successful marketer creates their own six-figure campaign. So you are going to get a lot many ideas, lot many tips of creating your own campaigns as well. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you a solo ads basic course. Basically, solo ads are paid traffic where you pay someone else to promote your offers to their email list. So that's a solo ads, and this course will teach you how you can go about using them. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you a training on Facebook organic marketing that will teach you how you can make money with Facebook organic marketing. So these products you can also implement in what you're going to learn inside Tripling. So you can also promote the offers using solo ads and Facebook organic marketing. Then bonus number 6, I'm going to give you 10 more secret sites for traffic generation. So here on these websites also you can promote your offers, promote your links. And bonus number 7, I'm going to give you a training on email marketing. So as this product also talks about capturing the email address, so you should be aware about email marketing as well. So this pro bonus is going to take care of that. And all you need to do, just click on any of these buttons on this page, and that will take you to this particular sales page. And you can have a look at the sales page once you are ready to make the purchase. And these two gentlemen are the creators of Tripling. And once you're ready to make the purchase, just need to click on get instant access now, and you can complete your purchase on Warrior Plus Marketplace. And all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you will see this button of access affiliate bonus. Just need to click on that and your bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And now talking about the different price points of Tripling. So the front end, which includes all this training and all my bonuses, that will cost you $12.95. And using this training, you can make up to $100 every day consistently. The upgrade number 1 is the unfair advantage, which is the advanced training that will cost you $27. And this is the advanced training. You will learn more strategies, more traffic sources about promoting these offers and make $100 per day. Upgrade number 2 is the monthly done for you campaign for $37 every month. So you're going to get the high converting offers, cheat sheets, templates, which these guys are using in their business. Upgrade number 3 is the reseller license, where you can get the resell license to promote Tripling as your own product and keep the 100% profit. And upgrade number 4 is the Marketing Titans bundle, where basically it's the secret playbook that give you power to learn the secrets of top industry experts, and that will cost you $97. So if you ask me, I highly recommend you picking up the front end and the upgrade number 1, which is the advanced training. And along with my bonuses, that is all you need. And now talking about the pros and the cons for this. So the pros of this product is that the training videos are simple and to the point, and you will be able to just follow them and you'll be good to go. And the other point which I really like is the traffic methods, the traffic exchanges website which they are using. Not many people are using them, so I quite like that. And this particular strategy, it is simple, repeatable, and you can scale your business using that. And the only downside which I found about this particular strategy is since you are not creating any reviews, you are not putting yourself in front of camera, you are not promoting it on Facebook or any other platform, so you won't be able to build your brand for yourself if you follow the traffic methods which are taught inside this training. But if you don't want to put yourself on camera, you don't want to write a blog or something, then that is fine. Then you can definitely go ahead with this particular product. And I quite like, as I told you, nobody else is teaching this method. That's the plus point about this particular strategy. And finally, will you be needing any other tool after getting this product? Then the only other tool which you would be needing is Aweber, which is the email autoresponder, using which you're going to create your converting opt-in pages. So, and Aweber is free for up to 500 subscribers, and after that it is $19 every month for around 1,000 subscribers. So That is the only other additional cost. If you just follow this particular training to the T, you do not need any other investment. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about tripling. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.